In this video, I'm performing partial fraction decomposition using the substitution method. So I want to rewrite the following as partial fractions: 2x plus 1 over x plus 2, x minus 4. The first step is to assume the partial fraction form. So looking at the table, we can see in this example we have distinct linear terms in the denominator. So this means that the partial fraction form is going to be 2x plus 1 over x plus 2, x minus 4 is equal to a over x plus 2 plus b over x minus 4. The second step is to multiply everything by the denominator of the left-hand side, so multiplying through by x plus 2, x minus 4. On the left-hand side, the denominator will cancel. With the a term, only the x plus 2 cancels, and with the b term, only the x minus 4 will cancel. This leaves us with 2x plus 1 equals a times x minus 4 plus b times x plus 2. And then the third step is to perform substitution. So we can pick any two values of x that we want to substitute into this equation. To make it easier, I want to try and pick values that are going to make some of the brackets equal to 0, because this will save working. If we're unable to do this, we can just pick any two values and then solve the simultaneous equations that we get. So to find the a, I want to try and make x plus 2 equal to 0. So to do this, I'm going to pick x equals minus 2. Substituting this in, 2 times minus 2 plus 1 equals minus 3. This is equal to a times minus 2 minus 4, so minus 6a, and b times minus 2 plus 2, which is 0b. So dividing by the minus 6, we get that a is equal to a half. Now to find the b, I want to make the x minus 4 equal to 0, so choosing x equals to 4 and substituting this into our equation. 2 times 4 plus 1 is 9. And this is equal to a times 4 minus 4, which is 0, plus b times 4 plus 2, which is 6. So dividing the equation by the 6, we get that b is equal to 3 over 2. So now we've found all of the unknowns. We substitute the a and b back into the original partial fraction form. This gives us 2x plus 1 over x plus 2, x minus 4, is equal to a half over x plus 2 plus 3 over 2 over x minus 4.